Hello, welcome to this channel. This time we will discuss the specifications of the 2021 Honda City Hatchback. The Honda City Hatchback offers the main attraction in cabin relief. In addition, the City Hatchback also offers consumers with a myriad of features that are more than the jazz. Apart from these 2 points, it turns out that there is one that is quite important, namely the City Hatchback is equipped with a new runway. Engine performance Honda City Hatchback 2021 Honda City Hatchback 2021 for the Indonesian market uses an engine coded L15ZF. The capacity is 1498 cc, DOHC, IVTEC. The power from the engine reaches 119 horsepower at 6,600 revolutions per minute with a maximum torque of 145 Nm at 4,300 revolutions per minute. For some people, this is quite unfortunate because the Thai version of the City Hatchback is already using a turbo engine, even though the capacity is only 1000 cc, 3-cylinder, VTEC with turbo. Engine specifications Honda City Hatchback 2021 engine type 4-cylinder inline engine capacity 1498 cc DOHC technology, IVTEC maximum power 119 horsepower at 6,600 revolutions per minute maximum torque 145 Nm at 4,300 revolutions per minute automatic transmission CVT and 6-speed manual. The power is transmitted to the front wheels using CVT automatic transmission and 6-speed manual. Uniquely, this 6-speed manual transmission can only be found for the Indonesian market. Longer dimensions This one car has dimensions that are quite long and wide. This can be both negative and positive at the same time. On the other hand, it is clear that the cabin space is increasing. But on the other hand, this car certainly cannot be called a compact car for a city car. The 2021 Honda City Hatchback is 4,349 mm long, 1,748 mm wide and 1,488 mm high. The wheelbase reaches 2,600 mm. For comparison, the Honda Jazz has a length of 4,035 mm, a width of 1,649 mm and a height of 1,524 mm. Jazz wheelbase reaches 2,530 mm. This means that the dimensions of the City Hatchback are much wider and longer than the Jazz. However, for consumers who like small cars, it seems the City is considered a little too long in terms of dimensions. Body design Pretty OK HPM claims that this short-tail City has a strong character. The character is contained in a sporty, elegant design, and good engine performance. But if we discuss the design, of course, taste is his business. The problem is, everyone's taste is different, so there is no single benchmark that focuses on discussing taste. Carmudian may judge this car to be good in design, not necessarily other people give a similar tone. But we agree that the City Hatchback's design is actually pretty cool. The appearance is enough to describe the character of those who want to be young at heart. The body curves on the side, the front and rear bumper designs are also quite okay in our opinion. It's just that we assess the design of the hood and lights are less pleasing to the eye. Interior of Honda City Hatchback 2021 luxury materials in the seats using a combination of 3 materials: leather, fabric, and suede, making it quite comfortable to sit on. These 3 materials are also combined in 2 color accents, namely red and black. Interestingly, the seat concept on the City Hatchback uses the Ultra Seat function. Users can set 4 different modes on the seat. Even for long trips, the left front passenger seat can be reclined, so that the front passenger can position himself as if sleeping on the mattress. These 4 modes are contained in Utility Mode, Tall Mode, Refresh Mode, and Long Mode. To carry items that are long and large in the end is not a problem. The 2021 Honda City Hatchback feature is better than the Honda Jazz head. The unit uses an 8-inch touchscreen. Through this head unit, car users can enjoy Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, radio, USB, and navigation systems. There is also a reverse and multi-angle camera feature. This feature can help the driver when reversing. If turned on, the head unit screen will give the car a normal, wide, and top view. Still not enough? Relax. There are also cruise control features, smart keys, start, stop buttons, audio steering switch, and hands-free telephone with voice recognition. It's just that what is very unfortunate is that the instrument cluster still uses an analog model. Whereas the Malaysian version is given an instrument cluster that already uses a digital model. Qualified security about features, Honda embeds quite a lot of features. Call it the G-Con Plus Ace frame protection, 6-point airbags, ABS Plus EBD brakes, brake assist, brake override system and vehicle stability assist, VSA. There are also hill start assist features, parking sensors, seatbelt reminders, pre-tensioner load limiters, emergency stop signals, and APAR or fire extinguishers. The security system of this car also uses an immobilizer key, smart key, keyless entry and an alarm system. The price of the 2021 Honda City Hatchback. This car, which was introduced in March 2021, has received a good appreciation. At launch, Honda priced this city hatchback at a price of 289 million Indonesian rupiahs for a manual transmission and 299 million Indonesian rupiahs for an automatic transmission. Since its launch, HPM immediately stepped on the gas about sales. Yusak Billy, Business Innovation and Sales and Marketing HPM revealed if the car exceeded the specified expectations. However, in the next month, the price is recognized to increase. This price change follows the PPNBM scheme, which will be 50% in June 2021. It's just that the HPM did not provide detailed information about the increase. City Hatchback RS mount 289 million Indonesian rupiahs. City Hatchback RS at 299 million Indonesian rupiahs. Those are the specifications of the Honda City Hatchback 2021. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comments and subscribe, okay?